I'm Dalton Barrett for News Radio WGNS, and here are some of the top stories impacting Rutherford County on your Rutherford Roundup for Wednesday, January the 7th, 2026. Flu activity in Rutherford County has surged dramatically, aligning with Tennessee's jump to level 13, the highest classification of influenza spread by the CDC. This sharp rise, reported for the week ending on December the 27th, 2025, positions Tennessee among a handful of states experiencing very high flu transmission. Murfreesboro and surrounding areas saw flu cases escalate rapidly by mid-December, spurred by holiday travel and cold weather that promotes respiratory illness spread. Local healthcare providers in Rutherford County are noticing increased patient volumes, prompting a renewed call for flu vaccinations, proper hygiene, and staying home when ill. As flu-related pressure mounts on medical facilities, Ascension St. Thomas Rutherford in Murfreesboro is reinforcing its leadership with the appointment of Dr. Eric Greenfield as Chief Medical Officer. Dr. Greenfield, widely known for his role as Medical Director for Rutherford County Emergency Medical Services, brings a wealth of emergency medicine and administrative experience to the role. Under his EMS leadership, out-of-hospital cardiac arrest survival rates surged from 8% to 41%, earning recognition from local responders and hospital staff. His new responsibilities include guiding clinical strategy, improving patient outcomes, and overseeing quality initiatives at a hospital already recognized for heart care, orthopedics, and maternity services. Dr. Greenfield's appointment comes amid a $42 million expansion at Ascension St. Thomas Rutherford, reflecting the growing need of Murfreesboro and the broader Rutherford County region during a challenging flu season. Two critical statewide issues are raising concerns in Tennessee, with potential ripple effects for communities like Murfreesboro and Smyrna. The Tennessee Wildlife Resource Agency is facing a $35 million funding shortfall that could jeopardize conservation programs and wildlife enforcement. Traditionally funded through hunting license fees, the TWRA's revenue has become unstable, with officials noting a post-COVID plateau in license sales. Proposals to raise fees were quickly withdrawn following public pushback, and while some lawmakers have suggested selling public land, conservation advocates warn that could be a short-sighted move. TWRA supporters are now urging lawmakers to establish a recurring funding source as the agency's financial future remains uncertain. Meanwhile, the state's Education Savings Account, or ESA program, has come under scrutiny after its first formal evaluation revealed a significant gap between eligibility and participation. Though over 98,000 students qualify for the program, which offers public funds for private school tuition, only about 7% have enrolled. One major barrier appears to be the cost difference between ESA funds and actual private school tuition, leaving low-income families to cover thousands in additional expenses. While participating students showed some academic improvement, their progress remains below public school peers. The report also found that many ESA students had previously attended average or above-average public schools, rather than low-performing schools the program originally aimed to address. As the 2026 legislative session begins, education funding and the future of the ESA program will be high on the General Assembly's agenda. As Tennessee prepares for the implementation of a new firearm safety education law, students across the state, including those in Rutherford County and Murfreesboro, will soon receive mandatory training in gun safety. The law, passed by the Tennessee General Assembly in 2024, introduces age-appropriate video-based instruction for students from kindergarten through 12th grade. For younger students, the focus is on basic safety: stop, don't touch, leave the area, and tell an adult. Other students will receive more detailed instruction on firearm types, safe storage, and handling precautions. While some parents and veterans like former Marine Bob Gard have praised the initiative, critics, including Senator Heidi Campbell, argue that the program shifts responsibility for gun safety from adults to children and eliminates parental opt-out options. Tennessee remains the only state requiring such instruction without offering parental choice. At the same time, a troubling trend in DUI enforcement has surfaced statewide. Newly released data from the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation reveals that 419 individuals were arrested for DUI in 2024, despite post-arrest blood tests showing zero alcohol in their systems. Rutherford County and neighboring communities are taking note, especially as local agencies like Laverne Police Department were among those listed in the report. Lawmakers, led by Senator Ramesh Akbari, are reviewing the data to assess the need for new policies around what is now being called sober DUIs. That's all for now. For updates on these and many more local news stories, be sure to check out our website, WGNSradio.com, or follow us on social media at News Radio WGNS on Facebook, as well as X. If you're enjoying the show, be sure to leave a rating or a review on Spotify and iTunes, a comment on YouTube, or share it with a friend. I'm Dalton Barrett for News Radio WGNS, part of your Good Neighbor Network, and I'll talk to you later.